There are many reasons why I chose to study law at Interamerican University. One of the reasons primarily being because the program was in English. This is the first Juris Doctorate program in English that any of the law schools in Puerto Rico has ever established, and to know that I would be a part of that formation, the idea alone was rewarding.
So my experience right now at the law school here has been a wonderful, amazing one. I really feel like the environment has allowed me to thrive and expand my horizons in a way that I probably wouldn't have been able to in another school.
This school is not a big school, so that means we have a lot of opportunities. The opportunities that we have the advantage to go to the federal court, where we can intern with judges, and we can intern at the federal public defender office. We have a lot of opportunities that a lot of schools in the state don't have.
I felt like if I would have went to one of the other universities, which had like 100 students, you wouldn't have that personal interaction with your professors, and they really do a lot to make sure you complete your courses with a good grade.
The program really allowed me to find my voice in law and definitely find opportunities that I probably wouldn't have been able to be exposed to otherwise, and develop very intimate relationships with my professors, which I know I probably wouldn't have been able to in another environment.
The tuition is very affordable, and I like law professors are actually lawyers, so you get practical experience, you know.
If I have an advice for anybody who's looking for a great school to come to Interamerican University, why? It's because not only you will enjoy the Puerto Rican culture, you will meet great people, but you will study, and you will not find yourself with just books in the library. You will be able to enjoy studying and have experience.
I would specifically mention just the amount of opportunities you will have in an environment like this that you would not have in a large school in which you might be lost in the crowd. Here, it's impossible to get lost in the crowd. Every teacher knows us by name. They can tell when we have an off day, when we're having a good day. It's just really about allowing you to thrive in a very personalized way.
Changing society for the best, that's really why we're here. Especially like with Hurricane, I noticed a lot of people was working together, and I thought the university did a great job, even though I was kind of reluctant at first, but they accommodated the students the best way they could. Lawyers that could offer like pro bono work and things of that nature, they could help so many people, because it was people who couldn't really afford that. So if you can give them great legal advice and help them change their situation for the better, I think that's more valuable than any amount of dollar you can collect.
The question is, why wouldn't you come to Puerto Rico to study law? It's just amazing. The weather's great. I love the beaches. I love the people, the culture, the ambiance. Everything here gives you the perfect setting to study law.